Hello everyone, welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura, and as you can see today this is a video instead of a live. I'm not feeling well today, so I thought, we'll go ahead and cut this soap that we made last time, and hopefully I will be able to come back Monday for another live. So we're gonna cut these tulips. We made these during our last live. So I've turned these around because I want to make sure that these wires go in between the flowers. I think that's going to be okay. Alright, we'll give this a shot. Hopefully this goes correctly. Good, okay. And I apologize if the audio is a bit off. I'm using a different setup for the sound. So here's the first bar. It's really cute. It's got its own little flower on top. And then here's the sides. See the pink and purples with the green background. So I'm really glad with how these came out. I'm happy that the bars were able to, or the wires were able to go in between the flowers so that we were able to preserve those. And then we got these neat little, not really lines, like blotches kind of to represent the tulips in the field. And this smells really, really nice. So hopefully you enjoyed seeing the soap cut. Here's the young pieces. And then of course we have the little individual bar that we poured. So here's how that came out. It's got some soap crumbs on there that I gotta clean off later. The soap is still pretty soft, so anyways, we'll have to let that cure and firm up. So I hope you enjoyed watching that soap be cut. Hopefully I'll be back Monday for another live, and I'll see you guys soon. Have a great week.